In this video, I'm going to show you how to automate the copyright year in the footer of your website by using just a simple line of code. I'm specifically using a Squarespace site. You don't have to be on Squarespace. As long as you can add a line of code to your website, you can use this method. So right now, down here below in my footer, I have this as a text block, and I have to manually go in and update that year, the 2026 year, each year so it says the current year. But in this video, I'll show you how to automate it so that will update based on whatever the current year is. So we're going to start with this little blurb of text, the code text right here. I'll show you how to customize it. I'm basically going to take all of this right here in my footer, this first left column over here, and regenerate it so we can populate it with custom code to automate that copyright year. So to get this block, I will share the code with you. So check the description so you can copy and paste what I'm starting with here. To get the block, if you're using Squarespace, go into edit mode on a page, do add block. You're going to look for this code block. And once you get that, you need to hit the pencil button. You can do Command All or just delete the hello world and copy in the code that I'm going to give you. And then we can start from there. So when I click into my code block here that I've got started, we can do a few things. I have it left aligned right now since that's how my footer is styled. You can change left to center or right. You can change your font size. I might make mine maybe a little bigger. Maybe we'll go with 12. And then what we want to do is make it match what I have down below. So this and copy here is the little copyright symbol. So before that, we need it to say Nashville. And then BR is for the line break. I'm going to do my email and another line break. And now we're on the copyright line. So currently I have the word copyright typed out, and then I have the copyright symbol. And before the current year, I have the first year that I created my site, which was 2016. So I'm going to do 2016 dash, and then this script right here is how we are generating the current year. After that, I already have it saying all rights reserved, but I'm going to put a line break there. It looks like an extra line break here in the preview, but once we save, I promise it will look different. And then we will add my privacy policy link here. So to do a hyperlink within this HTML code, I'm going to do ahref equals, and the link on my site is backslash privacy policy. Squarespace code can be annoying sometimes. When you write it, it will automatically add the in bracket there, which is nice, but when you already have the words typed out, it's kind of annoying. So it's also not underlining my privacy policy to make it even look like a link. So I'm going to add just U for underline. And then now we have generated my little blurb down here in my footer with code. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do Command A. I'm going to copy all of this code, and we are going to come into edit mode of my footer. Let's see, I'll move this for now just to make sure everything goes right first. Let's add a block. We're going to add the code block down here in the footer. Pencil icon, I'm going to do Command A to select all, Command V to paste over it. I'm going to make that block fit in here. It's looking good, so I'm going to delete this and hit save and exit. And there you go. Now we have my footer has been recreated, but with a block of code so that this 2026 right here will auto-populate with the correct year as long as this code block is in place. So if you want to do this on your website, grab the code, customize it just like I showed you how, and place it in your footer so you never have to worry about your copyright year ever again. And if this was helpful, make sure you subscribe for more website and Squarespace tips.